gets the pressure off the nerve so the body can start responding. But the problem is, and this is the whole thing about traditional chiropractic, is we all go back to that same pattern. Right? We go back to our head forward posture.
How do you avoid it? Like once you get adjusted, what do you have to do to upkeep? Because you have to do something to upkeep.
Exercises. So everybody will benefit from this. This is just basically called a prolordotic, and this is a great exercise we can do at home. Just take any band, put a cloth around it, make sure it doesn't break, and just forward with the hands and back over the neck. It feels fantastic. Nice stretch you can do. If you had this next to your office, your desk, man, this would be something you want to do every 20 minutes.
So every 20 minutes you do that?